Basically what's going to happen when we put these two pieces of soil, these two beds, into the water, what's going to happen is water is going to tend to rush into those pore spaces. Now, and that's going to happen under both samples. It's going to happen under the no-till, it's going to happen under the tilled system. Now what we want though is what we want to find out is a restraint, or how much the polysaccharides and the glucogen hold these soil particles together so that the soil structure is maintained in the soil. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what do you see immediately happening? What's going on here? It's falling apart. There's nothing to hold those soil particles together. It's simply collapsing. Within seconds, it's collapsing. Now, if there were rainfall on here and the soil structure fell apart like that, what do you think would happen to the soil surface? It would seal off. It doesn't have anything to hold the soil structure together, and it's simply going to fall apart, sealing the soil over and causing the water to run off instead of infiltrate down in the soil.
Soil structure, as you can see, is very important, and it is something that we definitely need to focus on for good growing. In the effort to restore soil structure, Growers Gold is a very good application because of the microbial activity, forming many roles including gluing the soil together into clumps.